came to AES as soon as I graduated college. Been here ever since, so 7 years now.
At my first job, maybe 9 months. Found AES and I've been here for 8 years. How was that?
People always ask me, oh, you're an engineer, what school did you go to? I said, I went to the school of AES. I learned everything here.
I really want to create an environment where people can grow. We're a very innovative company, and in the past what we focused on a lot is our products. We focused on the product development, we focused on our patents.
We create the equipment for other manufacturers to test their product.
And their products go inside of our controlled environment. You can alter the humidity settings and the temperature settings. Everything that you're using, your cameras, your phone, your laptop.
And I think one of the things that we haven't talked a lot about is the team that's required in order to build those products. I really like to see the growth of the individuals. I really like to see them excel. I like to see them continue in their education.
There are lots of opportunity for growth within the organization, which makes it a very attractive company to be at for a long period of time.
We are at the new facility in North Chelmsford. This is my first time here. It's really big.
The growth is one of the things that's really exciting. I mean, the fact that we're moving into this new facility, we're going to expand our manufacturing by almost 100%. We're going to be able to continue to develop in our custom chambers. We're going to continue to develop in our large chambers. And this is an area where we've definitely excelled. We're one of the leaders in the country for these chambers. I see the growth potential is huge.
Create a new manufacturing layout that will be more efficient and streamlined now that we kind of have an open landscape to build on. Growth just seems to be so exponential.
It'll allow us to build even more large and custom chambers. We can do a lot more of the bigger walk-in rooms.
Really excited about this move. The increase in the manufacturing space is going to be enormous for us. We've recently been adding a lot of new team members. We're going to continue to add new team members, and we're really looking forward to the future. I think people will find that it's a fun place to work. I think they'll find that it's very collaborative, and they get to work on a ton of different projects. Whether that project is working on something from the tech field, whether it's working on something in the pharmaceutical field, whether it's related to an EV, there's just a lot of opportunities.
Since I've started, we've grown so much. From the start to now, we've made leaps and bounds. It's crazy to see how far we've come, and even crazier to think of where we're going.
This is the best job I've ever had. This is the only job I've had for the last 12 years. So.
I'm not even just saying this just because I'm in front of a couple cameras. I really do like working here. The culture of AES is one of a kind.